Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, I was recently shopping around my local Target and I came across the Burgundy bar by Maybelline. Now this is a newer product, at least in my area, so I wanted to test out the shades and see how they work on the eye, see what the pigment and formula is like, and kind of give you guys a review on it. I picked this palette up for a little under $10, so for this many shades for 10 bucks, it's definitely a hell of a steal. So this palette does come with 12 different shades in mattes and shimmers, and it is said to give you 13 different eye looks. So basically the eye looks work in the form of the quads or doubles or 3 across in the row. So if you want to see how I created this look with this palette, just keep on watching, and don't forget, please give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So this is the look that I did complete today with this palette. I will say that it was kind of so-so. I wasn't like overly impressed. In the mattes, you really had to work to build up the pigment, and a lot of it was spotty, like especially this dark kind of brownish purple shade here. That was really patchy when I was blending it in my outer corner. And as far as the shimmers go, to just put it on with a brush will not happen. You either need to cut your crease or you need to spray your brush at least to get any kind of shimmer out of those pigments. Will you be able to kind of create a quick, easy, on-the-go look? Oh, definitely, for sure. But if you want any kind of amped-up look, I really don't think that you're going to find it in this palette. So that was kind of my thought on the palette. I honestly don't feel that it's worth running to the drugstore to purchase, but again, you might have better luck with it. This is just something that I'm not going to reach for as my everyday eyeshadow palette. So that about wraps it up for me today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, as well as please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.